Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this video I want to show you guys some of the targeting options that I use when running Facebook ads in order to get great results. Now I know that some of these targeting options, some of you are already familiar with it, but I know that a lot of people are not familiar with them and they might be looking for some targeting interest that will work for their business or whatever they want to advertise. So this video is going to cover those in detail. Now if you like content like this and you want to see more of it on the channel, do make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I make a new video. Let's get straight into today's video. So I'm gonna click on create over here. I'm gonna act like I want to create a new campaign. So if I click on create, let me just go to traffic because I'm just trying to create a test. I'll click on continue. This is the campaign. I just skip it and go to next. So here on the ad set section of the ad, this is basically where we're going to be focusing on. And like I said, we're talking about the interest that we're going to be using for targeting. So I'm just going to scroll down over to the audience section, because if you run Facebook ads, you know that this is where you find the interest that you use for your ads. And then all I'm going to do is just get over here where it says detail targeting and click on edit. Now I'm going to start typing in some of those interest categories for you, so you can please take note of them. The first one, which is very popular, is actually called engaged shoppers. Now engaged shoppers is something that a lot of people don't know that exists, but it's a very good behavioral interest that a lot of people use for advertising, especially people that sell e-commerce products on Facebook. As you can see over here from the description, this is for people who have clicked on the call to action button shop now in the past week. So basically Facebook is able to gather data of everybody that has clicked on the call to action button that says shop now in the past week. And what does that mean? It basically means that people that have actually gone ahead to make a purchase. So using this particular interest, if you do anything that is related to e-commerce, or you basically want to target people that have spending tendency on Facebook, right, engaged shoppers is like the first option that you want to use. The next option that we're going to look at, all you have to simply do to find all these options in future, is just to, after you type in engaged shoppers, you click on suggestions, and then you're going to see some other similar interests. And from here I'm also going to find some of the interests that I'll talk about next. The second popular one that I want to talk about first is called the Facebook payments users. Okay, so there's two options here. As you can see, there's Facebook payments users 30 days and Facebook payments users 90 days. And if you look over at the description for the 30 days one, it says people who have used Facebook payments in the past 30 days. So these are people that have actually used Facebook payments, right? They've gone ahead to make payments from inside Facebook itself, right? So, and there are actually two options like that. There's Facebook payments users 30 days and then Facebook payments users 90 days. So those are the options. And then the next option that we're going to look at is for admins, right? Page admins. So the reason behind choosing page admins as a behavioral interest to target is simply because majority of the people that are on Facebook and that are into business, that are here to spend money on Facebook, they actually do what? They actually own Facebook pages. They actually own business pages on Facebook. They own, beauty pages, retail pages, those kind of things. And they are most likely going to be the admin of those particular pages, right? So over here, you can see some of these options which I'm going to select. So there's Facebook page admins, there's business page admins, there is food and restaurant page admins, there is health and beauty page admins, right? There is travel and tourism page admins, there are community and club page admins, there's sports page admins, and that should be about it. All right, so those are the options that are all fall under the page admin category. And then another option that we're going to put in here is small business owners, right? Small business owners is another very interesting behavioral interest category, and these are for people who list themselves as small business owners or own small business pages on Facebook. So you can add them also to your search as well. So this is basically a good ad set, or like a good interest ad set that you can use when running particular ads like e-commerce products on Facebook, because you're going to be showing your advert to people that actually have money to spend. Another good use case for this kind of audience is for, let's say, people who offer services, right? You offer, website services, logo services, freelance services, all those kind of services online. If you offer any of those things, then this category of interest is going to work very well for you. So I just said I should show you guys quickly some of the interest categories that are very, very good at delivering amazing results. I know a lot of people don't know about these interest options, but here they are. I've given everything to you out for free. So that is it for this video. And guys, if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, and not just Facebook ads but other ad platforms as well, Google, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, and the rest, I do have a full program that covers ads, running ads on all these different platforms. You can simply check it out by clicking the link in the description, and it will take you over to the website where you can get access to the program in full. If you are outside Nigeria, you can simply make payments using the PayPal details which would be on the page. But if you're in Nigeria, feel free to use any of the buttons on the page there to make payment and get access to this program. So thank you so much for watching. Once again, as always, if you haven't subscribed, do make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video if you haven't done so already, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I make a new video on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.